Ginger is a popular flowering plant whose roots are widely used as a spice and a form of traditional medicine. Its strong taste and smell make it a favorite in kitchens everywhere. Besides its flavor, ginger is also the hero of homemade remedies and a favorite ingredient of our grandma. Today, we will learn what happens to our bodies when we eat ginger every day and why it is our grandma's favorite ingredient. Number 1. Soothes digestion. Are you tired of feeling like a sluggish sloth after a heavy meal? That constant feeling of bloated stomach and heartburn shows your poor digestive health. A bit of ginger is the quick fix you need. Ginger stimulates the production of many digestive enzymes, such as saliva and bile, which break down the food. This speeds up digestion and ensures that food moves smoothly through the digestive tract. Ginger also contains muscle-relaxing compounds, which reduce gastrointestinal discomfort. By relaxing the stomach and intestine muscles, ginger eases cramping, bloating, and gas, improving digestion. Inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract also causes digestive issues like indigestion and heartburn. One of the prime elements of ginger is gingerol. It neutralizes stomach acids, balances digestive fluids, and strengthens the food in your stomach. Also, it reduces inflammation in the gut lining, soothes irritation, and promotes healing. Ginger also speeds up stomach emptying by producing contractions in the digestive muscles. This is particularly beneficial for people with delayed gastric emptying, which happens when food moves slowly from the stomach to the intestines. Number 2. Fights nausea and morning sickness. Whether you are dealing with morning sickness or just a bout of nausea, ginger is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries. Would you believe only 1 gram of ginger can reduce the symptoms of nausea in pregnant women and those undergoing chemotherapy? This is because of its key element, gingerol. Gingerol is the main bioactive component found in ginger. This compound directly affects the stomach and intestines, regulating their function and soothe upset stomachs. Hold on, gingerol does not stop there. It also impacts the brain and nervous system. By influencing the nervous system, gingerol controls the mechanisms that trigger nausea in the brain and gives us relief from that vomitish feeling. The production of digestive enzymes speeds up the emptying of the stomach. When food sticks too long in the stomach, it also causes nausea. Ginger helps digestion move faster so the stomach doesn't feel queasy, and it helps you get rid of nausea. Number 3. Reduces muscle pain and soreness. If you're a fitness lover, adding ginger to your diet reduces muscle pain and soreness after intense exercise. Although it won't work immediately, eating ginger regularly helps you bounce back faster, making your workouts count more. Ginger has analgesic properties that help to reduce pain. It blocks certain pain receptors in the body, thereby reducing pain perception. Ginger is a natural option for relieving muscle pain and discomfort instead of using the pain pills you find in stores. Ginger also improves blood circulation, contributing to faster recovery from exercise-related muscle damage. Good blood flow brings more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, helping them heal and grow back stronger. By improving circulation, ginger reduces muscle stiffness and assists in a faster recovery after strenuous physical activity. Oxidative stress is caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. This stress causes muscle damage and soreness. Ginger is rich in antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. This minimizes the post-exercise soreness. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can do wonders, especially for people suffering from inflammatory conditions like osteoarthritis. Ginger hinders the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Cytokines are small proteins released by cells that specifically affect cell interactions and communications. They play a major role in the body's inflammatory response. By reducing these cytokines, ginger decreases the overall inflammatory response and reduces symptoms in osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Another way ginger reduces inflammation is by controlling lipoxygenase. This enzyme also causes inflammation in the body. By reducing this enzyme, ginger helps decrease the synthesis of pro-inflammatory molecules called leukotrienes. Ginger also affects enzymes called COX, which are involved in inflammation. One of its type, COX-2, is especially important for inflammation. Ginger lowers the activity of COX-2, which reduces inflammation without causing stomach problems, like some anti-inflammatory drugs do. Also, as I told you, oxidative stress causes inflammation. Oxidative stress is also a component of chronic inflammation. Ginger's strong antioxidants fight harmful free radicals, easing inflammation and lowering oxidative stress. Number 5. Lowers blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Ginger is like a superhero in the world of homemade remedies. Sugar and cholesterol are major illnesses in old age people. Here is something impressive. Ginger also manages blood sugar levels and improves heart disease risk factors. Insulin is a hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. Ginger improves insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to better respond to insulin and more effectively uptake glucose from the bloodstream. This lowers blood sugar levels, especially in people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Besides gingerol, ginger also contains zingerone. Both these enzymes reduce certain enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism. Ginger prevents spikes in blood sugar levels after meals, slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. Also, ginger stimulates glucose uptake by muscle cells, similar to the action of insulin. This clears the glucose from the bloodstream, improving blood sugar control. Low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, is a major risk factor for heart disease. Ginger reduces LDL cholesterol levels, slows the production of cholesterol in the liver, and increases cholesterol excretion through the bile. Ginger's antioxidant properties reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which prevents the oxidation of bad cholesterol and the formation of arterial plaque. Also, high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, or good cholesterol, helps transport cholesterol from the arteries to the liver for excretion. Ginger increases good cholesterol levels and improves your cardiac health. Adding ginger to your meals helps control blood sugar and cholesterol, keeping you healthier and lowering your risk of diseases. Number 6. Weight management. Feeling frustrated with dieting and exercising to achieve that slim and smart look, but still not seeing the results you want? Don't worry. Ginger might boost your efforts and help you reduce weight. Ginger is known to have thermogenic properties, which increase the body's heat production. This rise in body temperature is associated with a higher metabolic rate. A faster metabolism burns more calories, which is helpful in weight loss and management. Also, gingerol stimulates the body's digestive enzymes, increasing movement through the gastrointestinal tract. This improvement in digestion ensures that food is processed more efficiently, reducing the likelihood of it being stored as fat. Also, consuming ginger enhances the feeling of fullness after a meal. By suppressing appetite, ginger reduces overall calorie intake, which is important for weight loss. This filling effect controls how much you eat, which is important for staying at a healthy weight. Sometimes, inflammation is the reason for being overweight. Chronic inflammation also results in obesity. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help prevent weight gain linked to inflammation in the body. Besides inflammation, high levels of bad cholesterol also cause obesity. Ginger reduces these levels, which helps with weight management and improves your overall health. Number 7. Boosts immunity. Ginger's benefits do not end here. There are a lot more to go. Ginger is great at strengthening the immune system, which helps your body fight off sickness and infections. Ginger improves the health and effectiveness of different immune cells. For example, it enhances the pathogen-fighting response of lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are white blood cells that are important for immune system function. These cells help the body remember and destroy attackers, like bacteria and viruses. Ginger also increases detoxification by stimulating circulation and promoting sweating. Sweating helps regulate body temperature and enables the body to eliminate toxins. Fewer toxins mean less work for the immune system, which helps fight infections better and supports overall health. Ginger also possesses strong antimicrobial properties. It helps kill and reduce the growth of harmful bacteria and viruses, preventing and fighting infections, especially in the respiratory system. Ginger's germ-fighting properties are helpful for colds and flu. They also improve your body's ability to fight different types of germs, which is especially helpful during seasonal shifts. Number 8. Cancer-fighting properties. Do you know this little root also prevents you from cancer? Yes, you heard it right. Ginger is rich in phytochemicals, including gingerol, shogaol, and paradol, which are the primary agents behind its anti-cancer properties. Apoptosis is the process of programmed cell death. This mechanism eliminates dysfunctional cells from your body. Ginger extract induces apoptosis in cancer cells, thereby reducing the number of proliferating cancerous cells. It slows down the growth and spread of ovarian and breast cancer cells by making the cancer cells destroy themselves. Ginger not only makes cancer cells die, but also stops them from multiplying quickly. This helps slow down the spread of cancer in the body. Gingerols and shogaols block the cell cycle in cancer cells, preventing the cells from multiplying and spreading. Ginger's compounds are strong antioxidants. They protect cells from oxidative stress that leads to chronic inflammation and cell damage. Oxidative stress is closely linked to the development of cancer. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, ginger reduces the overall oxidative load, possibly lowering the risk of cancer mutations and cell damage. Number 9. Relieving from congestion. Does your nose feel like it's throwing a party with all that congestion? I can vouch that this is such an annoyed and irritated feeling. Ginger also provides a solution to this. How? Let's get into it. One of the primary ways ginger reduces congestion is through its anti-inflammatory properties. Congestion mostly occurs due to inflammation in the nasal passages and sinuses, which can result in swollen airways and mucus buildup. Ginger reduces swelling and inflammation in the respiratory tract, allowing for easier breathing and less physical blockage. Ginger is a natural expectorant that breaks up and expels chest congestion. When you consume ginger, it loosens and removes the mucus from the lungs and sinuses. Ginger clears out extra mucus from your airways, making breathing easier and getting rid of germs and allergens that cause congestion. The warming nature of ginger is beneficial for overall health, particularly for congestion. Ginger improves blood circulation, which is beneficial during a cold or sinus infection. Better blood flow helps immune cells get to infections faster and clears away waste faster. It also warms up your respiratory tract, making mucus looser and congestion less bothersome. Adding ginger to your daily routine. So, how can you add more ginger to your life? It's simple. Grate fresh ginger into your tea, smoothies, or meals. Starting your day with ginger tea is the best way to take advantage of its health benefits. Ginger is also used in baking. Powdered or fresh ginger can spice up recipes like gingerbread or cookies. Also, grated ginger makes for a zesty addition to salad dressings, combining well with olive oil, lemon juice, and honey for a flavorful touch. Cautions and considerations. While ginger offers numerous health benefits, it's important to consider some precautions. If you're taking medications, especially blood thinners or diabetes medicine, talk to your doctor before having more ginger. It might interact with your medication. You should also check with your doctor if you have a history of gallstones or other specific health conditions. And remember, a little goes a long way. The recommended daily intake is 3 to 4 grams of ginger, but if you're pregnant, stick to about 1 gram. Nothing is more precious than your health. These small efforts make you live a healthy life. Ginger is a health booster that has been respected in medical traditions worldwide for a long time. So why not start using a little ginger in your daily routine and take a step towards a healthy life? If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel to see more videos. Until then, Stay hydrated and stay healthy.